Today we share heavy news. Rebel Salute 2026 has been cancelled due to damage caused by Hurricane Melissa. The grounds at Grizzly's Plantation Cove were hit hard, and safety for the people, the artists, and the culture must come first. But understand this clearly. Rebel Salute is not cancelled in spirit, it is only paused. Rebel Salute is not just a festival. It is one of the last major spaces that stands firm in conscious reggae. No mainstream party music, no chasing radio hits. Rebel Salute is about message roots, culture. It is a place where lyrics matter, where the crowd listens, and where music is used to uplift, not distract. So while 2026 could not happen, the focus now turns forward to mid-January 2027. And in the meantime, the artists are not silent around the world. Reggae musicians are stepping up, performing, raising funds, supporting relief efforts. Kabaka Pyramid and Don Dada are two of many who has already taken the stage to give back, to support, to stand with the people. This is what reggae does in times of crisis. It does not run, it responds. Storms may damage stages, but they cannot wash away culture. Rebel Salute will return stronger, grounded, intentional, and when it does, it will still stand for the same thing it always has. Culture before commerce, message before hype. Reggae Hour will be here to document it all. Even though Rebel Salute can't go live this year, D-Spirit na stop. D-Message na silence. So here this clear. On the exact dates Rebel Salute was supposed to shake Diagrams Reggae Hour ago, keep D-Fire burning. We ago broadcast Rebel Salute style music, roots, conscious, uplifting sounds. No mainstream noise, no party distraction, just message, just culture, just real reggae. D-Way Rebel Salute always intended. From morning till night we bringing D vibrations straight to ya ears. Wherever ya they're in a D world, this a time to come together. To listen deeper, to support D artists, to hold D culture steady. So lock in with we. Follow Reggae Hour upon your favorite streaming platform or tap in direct at reggaehour.com. Turn on your notifications. Tell a brethren, tell a sistren. Storm Cyan, wash away D music. Culture still alive and D message still loud. Rebel Salute spirit continue. Right ya, so pon Reggae Hour.